Time to oil the built-in. I'm just putting linseed oil on it. Hey everybody, welcome back to the Stone House. I did something like I used to do. I worked all weekend and then I edited this on Sunday. So this is like a one-day edit like I used to do. I think it still turned out pretty good. And that way I can just kind of keep the footage going. I don't know. I'm going to try it. At least this week. It might take more than one coat. I can kind of see it soaking in weird here and there. I think I'm going to put some Poly-X on this countertop-y thing. We like this Osmos Poly-X stuff, though it doesn't really keep that good. You have to, yeah, that's not too bad. But I'm going to have to mix it up. This is a little bit better than linseed oil, in my opinion, for countertops, floors, any kind of wood that's going to get touched a lot. It seems to help a lot with scratches, like kind of being a little more scratch resistant. Definitely better for waterproofing. It's easy to put on though, because you just like linseed oil, you just rub it on and rub it off. It's going to need multiple coats, I believe. Linseed oil is pretty good, usually one coat, but I think two would be better here. It would be more consistent. Looks good though. This is getting really dark. It just doesn't look dark on camera. This is a little bit more true to life, maybe. Lighting's not great either down there, but man, it's going to be such nice storage. That bottom stuff, it's going to be nice. Mm-hmm. It's can fit a lot of stuff in there if you really think about it. Yeah. Don't you think it's a little crazy that you took so long to scrape off paint and you're just putting more paint on it?
You might think about that. I
mean, you had to scrape it.
These were like...
It was bad.
It's probably, not even joking, like 100 hours of work.
You know, it's kind of funny how a room full of things feels completely empty when you're not in the wings. How could I have known the fortune I would find? Peace deep in my bones, the beauty day and night, and you make anywhere feel like home. Home isn't where we live, it's living by your side. Oh, and I can't imagine any other way, the way our world needs your touch. Your touch in every space, and how it makes any place feel like home. Ooh. I'm kinda lucky that when I hit a wall, I know I can climb up, 'cause you're the ground beneath it all, and you make anywhere feel like home. Home isn't where we live, living by your side.
Okay, so full story on this tile too, because this is good for the record. I bought this tile before we even owned the stone house. Long story, buckle up. Sarah and I were gonna build a new house, some of you know this, and we actually bought the land, built a barn, and then we were getting house plans, and that's when we found this tile. And we got it for 50 cents a square foot, which is a really good deal. I really like this tile a lot. It's really nice color. I like the color a lot. So 50 cents a square foot, or as I like to call it, we got it for like a wrapper from the 2000s. 50 cent. It wasn't really. It was funnier in my head. This is a huge weight off my shoulders, knowing that we most likely have enough of this flooring. That is really, really good to know that. So exciting that we have enough. It's really going to help tie everything together. I'm very excited to do the floor. Not only because it's going to look good, but it really is the last major thing that needs to be done. Most of these shelves have been oiled once now. We've got to oil them again. We've got to oil the ceiling again. We got to oil the cat again. Yes. Yes. Got to oil the kitty cat. The orange floor is nice, but I'm looking forward to it going away. Today's the day. Today is the day. Tomorrow will be another day, but today's the day that we are starting the granite on the floor. It's gonna look crazy different probably by the end of this video. This didn't take me as long as I thought it was going to, and so I'm thinking I did it wrong, but I've got the one laser here. I can't get really close to the cabinet, so I just have it one tile back. And that's fine. I can tape this line off, or just keep the laser here and tile that first line. And that's not quite touching the cabinets, but it's pretty much touching the cabinets. And then that'll give me a straight line here. And then I've got another laser behind the camera, and that's shooting a red line up through here, which I have hitting the edge of this tile. So this tile is right where it would be on the straight line, and then so that's my edge. And then I just measured 3 foot this way, 4 foot this way, and when you measure in between, it should be 5 foot. It's exactly 5 foot. So that means this line is exactly square, I guess, off of the first line.
Thank you, Pythagorean.
Yeah. I would say on a scale of 1 to 10, 10 being this is so easy, this is like a 6. It hasn't been that bad.
6, 7.
Getting them underneath the dishwasher was a little fun.
leaving the old life behind, giving the new one a try, making the past as we go, trying a new way to grow, finding a new way to define the way our life is in this time, changing familiar thoughts as we go, shaping the world that we show. So many different ways to make us fly. All of the chances we have to ask why. So little time we still have to try. Day by day we'll make it right. You gave me a reason to climb so high I got out of sight. The moment we dove way too deep made you see a new side of me. So many different ways to make us fly. All of the chances we have to ask why. So little time we still have to try. Day by day we'll make it right. I keep hearing your voice in my mind. I keep hearing your words all the time. So many different ways to make us fly. All of the chances we have to ask why. So little time we still have to try. Day by day we'll make it right. So many different ways to make us fly. All of the chances we have to ask why. So little time we still have to try. Day by day we'll make it right.
I don't cry when it rains no more, or I get dirt on my shoes. I don't mind climbing 8 more floors, 'cause these stairs are all heading